One, two, one, two, three. Now 1, 2, what's the move? 3, 4, let's hit the groove. 5, 6, let it mix. We're taking this up with a brand new twist. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, we're ready to roll. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. We're ready to roll. Oh, you've never seen a scene like this. Yeah, we're bringing the heat, it's bliss. Feel that rhythm running through your feet. It's all in the flow and the way you beat. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, we're ready to roll. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. We're ready to roll. Oh, right, left, find the beat. Move to the rhythm, feel that heat. Upside down or right side up. Everybody's feeling that beat drop. Ooh, you've never seen moves this clean. And we're rocking like a winning team. Hey, can you feel that groove in every step you take? This vibe's electric, no mistake. Oh, we're ready to roll. We're picking up speed, bringing the fire and all that we need. We're waking a smile, we move to the sound, bringing life to the floor as we turn it around. Yeah, we're ready to roll. We're ready to roll. Right, left, find the beat. Move to the rhythm, feel that heat. Spin and shake, let your spirit free. We're a part of something, can't you see? Ooh, we've got that spark, we got that flair. Together we're beyond compare. Hands up high, now down to the ground. We're bringing the magic, feel the sound. Oh, we're ready to roll, we're moving in sync. Every step we take, we're right on the brink. With a left and a jump, we're feeling the flow. Come on everybody, let's put on the show. Yeah, we're ready to roll. Ready to roll. Oh, 1, 2, now what's your groove? 3, 4, we're making moves. Step to the beat, let's set the tone. Let's show the world how to get in the zone. We're spinning, we're swinging, we're feeling that vibe. With every beat, we come alive. Join the crowd, let's hit the floor. We're here to dance, let's give them more. Right, left with a little twist. Can't help but feel the beat like this. Front, back, just side to side. We're all in, got nothing to hide. We're taking it higher than ever before. Moving together, we soar and soar. Feel the energy in every step. With every rhythm, we're catching our breath. Oh, we're ready to roll. We're picking up speed, bringing the fire and all that we need. The wicked smile, we move to the sound, bringing life to the floor as we turn it around. Yeah, we're ready to roll. We're ready to roll. Oh. One, two, what's the move? 3, 4, let's hit the groove. 5, 6, let it mix. We're taking this up with a brand new twist. Yeah, we're ready to roll. We're ready to roll. Oh!
Let's learn Make a Move. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Make a Move. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a V step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, and step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a jazz box with a cross, crossing your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right, stepping your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a rolling grapevine with a brush. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock, and then brush your right foot forward. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a right rocking chair, so we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do 2 8th pivots. Stepping forward with your right foot, you're going to make an 8th pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 10:30. We're then going to repeat that, stepping forward with our right foot, make an 8th of a turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our brush. You're going to do your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, V-step, out, out, in, jazz box with a cross grapevine, side, behind, side touch. Now you're rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, brush, right, rocking chair, step 8th pivot, step 8th pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk and mambo. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to keep going. Now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, V-step, out, out, in, jazz box with a cross grapevine, side, behind, side touch. Now you're rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, brush, right, rocking chair. Now your 8th pivot, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, V-step, out, out, and in, jazz box with a cross, grapevine to the right, side, behind, side touch. Now you're rolling grapevine, quarter, half, quarter, brush, right, rocking chair. Now your 2 8th pivots, walk, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Make a Move. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, what's the move? 3, 4, let's hit the groove. 5, 6, let it mix. We're taking this up with a brand new twist. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, we're ready to roll. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. We're ready to roll. Oh, you've never seen a scene like this. Yeah, we're bringing the heat, it's bliss. Feel that rhythm running through your feet. It's all in the flow and the way you beat. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, we're ready to roll. Ba-da-da-da-da. We're taking this up with a brand new twist. Yeah, we're